Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to use the 7-quart Robo Coupe. So first we're going to start off with this component. So you're going to start by taking this, sliding it on to the machine. And you always want to rotate this in a counterclockwise motion. So you're going to pull up this lever, twist it into place, and then lay it down. You want to make sure that it locks in place so when you go like this you can't move it. And we're going to take the blade. This can be used for slicing, pureeing, a rough chop. And it has two little grooves in here that when we set it into the machine, we want to make sure they lock in place. So we're going to take this, slide it in, and you'll be able to feel when it locks down in place. So now that you have that ready, you can take your food and load it in. And when the food is ready, you'll take the lid, and once again, rotate it in a counterclockwise motion until you feel it lock in place. And once that is set, you have your on button. You can set it to low or high speed depending on if you want a puree or a chop. Then you can turn it off when you're finished. Okay, so now we're going to take this apart by rotating the lid, removing the blade. And if you look closely in here, you can see the two grooves I mentioned earlier that need to lock into place. And then we'll take this, pull the lever in towards you, and then rotate it back out. Release the lever, and lift off. Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to use the second attachment for our Robo Coupe. So, you'll pick it up. And first you want to set it on the machine at an angle. And once you have it at this angle, you're going to rotate it counterclockwise again into place until you hear it snap. So once you have this in place, you can lift up this lever, remove the lid, and then we have two more attachments that go in here. So if you want to shred something like carrots or any kind of vegetable, you can use this attachment. So you're going to put it in like this, and you look where it has this groove right here. It's going to slide onto the machine here and lock into place as you move it into this little groove here. So you're going to slide it down, and then rotate it so it hits in the groove and you can't lift it up. The second attachment we have is a slicer. Goes on the same way, so you'll turn it like this, slide it down onto the button, and lock it into place so that can't lift up either. Once you have your attachment in here, you can slide the lid down, lock this into place. And this is where you have a few options. So if you have a small quantity of food, like 1 lemon, 1 carrot, 1 zucchini, anything like that, you can lift this off, put your food into here, and then press it down. Your second option is you have this. You can lift this all the way up, take the lid off, slide your food in here, and then just keep a gentle pressure on here as the food goes through the processor. So your food is going to come out through the side of the machine here, so you just want to make sure you have your bowl, your pan, whatever is going to catch your food over on this side before you set the machine in motion. And once you're ready to take this apart, you will lift the lever up, carefully remove the top, slide your attachment off, put this back down, and you'll rotate the attachment off of here by pressing the button in, rotating, and then lifting off.